Hello and welcome back to Prema's Adukala. Friends, I had an unwanted visitor at home in the second week of April. Yes, you guessed it right. We all at home were tested positive for COVID 19 and are home quarantined since few weeks. We have been taking ample rest, having medicines prescribed by the doctor, taking continuous steam, having a balanced diet, wearing mask and taking care of ourselves. Friends in our society have been the biggest support during this pandemic. Some send good wishes and blessings. Few of them cooked food for us. My friend's son has been helping us with getting all the grocery and medicines for us from time to time. My classmates from India and all over the world were in touch with me and sent me good wishes. Family members have been in constant touch to check on our health. Love you all for your prayers and best wishes. I thank the Almighty for blessing us with such good angels around us. This video is to show you how I store my greens. Look at these curry leaves. They are still fresh. 3 to 4 weeks ago, I created this video, and this method of storing greens helped me during this pandemic. These are the simple steps to follow. Wash the leaves well and pat them dry in a towel and wipe them with tissue paper and dry them completely. How do we do this? You need to take an airtight container and ensure that the container is dry. Put a tissue paper and transfer the mint leaves into this box. Completely fill it up with the mint leaves. Cover it with a tissue paper and completely pack them with another set of tissue paper. Cover this with the lid and store them in your fridge. Can you see these lemons? I had stored them 3 to 4 weeks ago. They still look fresh. These are some chilies that I stored few weeks ago. These are the curry leaves again that I stored 3 to 4 weeks ago. Ensure you open the box once a week and change the tissue paper, which would have moisture by now. So you need to repeat the process by removing the ginger, chilies, etc. that you have stored and pat them dry and again refill them with tissue paper and place them with the ginger, chilies, lemon, curry leaves, etc. and cover them with tissue paper and close them again with the lid and keep them back into the fridge. You can store your greens for up to 3 to 4 weeks, and by following this simple method, I have been using these greens in my daily diet. These are some coriander leaves that I stored 2 weeks ago. Isn't it fresh? Do let me know how do you store your greens in the comment box below. If you like this video, do share, like and subscribe for future upcoming videos. Bye for now and take care.